Hey, I'm Jane. I'm going to teach you how to make a munker today. And this could also be a boot. So whichever one you prefer to make. With the regular monkey, I just used 3 Mocha Brown 260s, 1 Blush 260, and 1 White 260, all by Qualitex. For the boots, you're going to need 3 Spring Lilac 260s, 1 Pink 260, and 1 White 260 for the eyeballs. This is the hat. Obviously, this is where the person's head goes, and you'll just put it on like so, and then you got a monkey on your back. So I like this hat design a lot. I use it a lot. But if they just want a hands-free monkey, that's cool too. I'm going to teach you how to make the hat first, and then I'll go over how to make the hands-free monkey. So, alright. So you're going to need 2 of your Spring Lilac 260s, and blow these up till you have about a 4-inch tip on both of them. Alright. And you're going to tie the nozzles together and make 2 1-inch bubbles, like so. And then you're going to make these into pinch twists. So you're going to make 1 go towards you, 1 away from you, like that. Just 3 times all around. Okay, cool. 2 pinch twists. Okay, then you are going to make the arm, which is the hat portion. Assume the person's head size and twist it off. Try it on the person, make sure it fits. Cool, it fits. Okay, then you can make your 2 other pinch twists. So again, 2 1-inch bubbles. And 1 bubble away from you, 1 towards you. And there you go. Those are the shoulders of the monkey. Now you're going to make the body of the monkey. Make about a hand's width body. Like that. And twist that off. Okay, then you're going to need a booty for your monkey. So you're going to pinch off 2 1-inch bubbles. And again, make these into pinch twists. Okay. So now you have these. And sometimes if a person has a really big head and you have to use all of your balloons for your arms, you might run out of space here to make kneecaps for your monkey. But I have enough room here, so I'm going to make a little kneecap. But if you don't have enough room for the kneecap, that's fine. Just make feet of the monkey and ba-bam. Then you're done with the body. But I make kneecaps on mine. So 2 1/2-inch bubble, and then a pinch twist. And then make your foot by a little fold, pinch in the middle, twist, then you have a foot. Okay, so again, 2 1/2-inch bubble, pinch twist, make your little foot, and bam! There's your monkey body. Okay, so you take the pink 260 and the Spring Lilac 260, tie the nozzles together. The pink 260 should have a 4-inch tip, and the Spring Lilac 260 should have a, I hope it's Spring Lilac. It's either lilac or Spring Lilac. I'm pretty sure it's Spring Lilac. But anyways, should have like about 6 inches at the tip, because you're not going to use all of the Spring Lilac. So, okay, so you're going to make your little ear by doing a flower petal, maybe about 4 fingers and 4 inches. No, it's like a 3-inch flower petal. That off. Okay, then you have 1 ear. Then you're going to make about a 4-inch forehead. Make another flower petal. Alright, so ear, forehead, ear. Okay, then you're going to bring the pink 260 across the forehead of the monkey and twist it off into the ear section. Okay, so you should have this. Bring that lilac 260 over in the middle of all this and twist off on the other side of the head, the ear. Then bring it across the bottom of the head of the monkey and twist on the other side of the ear. And it should be slightly longer than the forehead of the monkey because this is where the neck is going to be. So the forehead was like 4 inches. Make the base of the head about 5.5. Okay, so now you're not going to need the rest of this, so you can cut it off, pull it off, whatever works best for you. And now you have the back of the head of the monkey, and you have this upper lip of the monkey. Now you're going to bring the blush 260 over to the other side of the head. Now you should have this. The upper lip is slightly smaller than the bottom lip. Maybe add an inch or 2 on the bottom lip. Okay, and then you're going to pinch off about a 1.5 inch bubble. Do a pinch twist. Okay, then you're going to have beef. So you're going to stuff this into the bottom lip of the monkey. Well, bottom lip and base of the head. And that is how your neck's going to stick out like this. So then you're going to pinch off about a 1.5, 2-inch bubble. That's the neck of your monkey. Okay, and bring this in to the shoulders of your monkey. Push it all around. And you should have this. Okay, then you are going to twist all of this together right at the base of the, or upper part of the monkey's booty. Okay, and pull the tail through. And voila! There is your monkey. But he doesn't have any eyes, so let's make him some eyes. You could take a scrap white 260, blow it up just a little bit, and make 2 1.5 inch bubbles side by side. So 1, and then you could actually pull this down and just twist it off like so. Okay, and pull the nozzle through the middle of the monkey's eyes. It's really bright, but yeah, you want to do that so it'll lock and the eyes won't come undone. Rip this off or cut off, whatever. Okay, tie it off. Then you have monkey eyeballs. Woo. Okay, then you're going to stuff the monkey eyeballs into the upper lip and the forehead of the monkey. Then do some eyes. Let's do some eyeballs, little nose marks, belly button, and there you have boots, or something that looks kind of like boots. And you could do actual red boots on the monkey, but people know who he is without the boots. Okay, if you want, you could add a little tongue on the monkey. Just barely blow up a Rose 260 1-inch bubble and tie the end pieces together. So you should have just this little pink ball. And then you just stuff it in between the lips of the monkey. And then you have a little monkey biting its tongue. How cute. And then, if you want to make bananas, make about a 5-inch bubble, another 5-inch bubble, pull the nozzle through so that way this balloon will lock. Okay, and make another 5-inch bubble, like so. Bring it through the center of the 2 other 5-inch bubbles. Should you do a pinch twist? No, don't do a pinch twist. Okay, pull this off, cut it off, whatever. And then you take these and tie them to the monkey's hands. Now he's holding some bananas. And you could do some little marks or whatever on the bananas to make them look more realistic. So, have that. And then if you want to add a better tail on the monkey, let me blow up another brown 260. Blow it up, maybe leave a half of an inch of a tip. Okay, and wrap it around your arm. Okay, and take your hand and press it along the balloon. Alright, try to get it up to show you what I'm doing. And then it comes out like a cool springy looking tail thing. So, that's if you don't want to make this the tail of your monkey. I like this tail much more, but it's up to you. If you're really busy or something, then you just might want to do that radiant balloon, but or the blush balloon, I mean. But so there's extra tail on the monkey and little accessories. Just doing the monkey by itself on its own is pretty awesome. So, and then if you want to do a hands-free monkey, sorry, taking apart the hands of this monkey. Okay, so what I do for the hands-free monkey, I know it looks kind of funny right now, but you can make the hands-free monkey just like this. but I think it looks better if these are the elbows of the monkey and these are the legs of the monkey. So instead of starting off with the hands of the monkey, you're going to start off with the, well, I mean, you're still going to start off with the hands, but you're going to have a pinch twist in the middle for elbows, and then